Dr. Mara Cordeiro. I'm from Brazil, and I was very glad to be here today presenting my work, our work that we do with blind children in Brazil. And to meet all the speakers, I think it's a great interaction to see what people are doing all over the world. And we also connect, I made new friends today. So it was a very nice, pleasant to participate in this conference. And hopefully I can participate next year too.
Systems archival practices are often described as rigid, but exactly this rigidity enables us to effectively translate it into digital space. For example, in Kazakhstan,
yes, I'm Dr. Smita Guha, and it was I'm very happy to become the keynote speaker. And the topic is very timely and important, the importance of diet and dietary pattern, importance of healthy habits, developing healthy habits among children, where the home, school, and community can work together. I really feel honored to become the keynote speaker. Thank you so much.